Add-ons bring extra functionality to your spreadsheets, from advanced data analysis to workflow improvements. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through finding and installing add-ons in Google Sheets. Let's boost your spreadsheet game. Step 1. Open your spreadsheet. Access the Google Sheets document where you want to use an add-on. Step 2. Go to Add-ons menu, click on Add-ons in the menu bar and select Get Add-ons. Step 3. Browse and select Explore the Google Workspace Marketplace and find an add-on that suits your needs. Click on it to view details. Step 4. Install the add-on. Click the Free button to install the add-on. You may need to give it permission to integrate with your Google Sheets. Step 5. Use your new add-on. Once installed, go back to the Add-ons menu, and you'll see your new tool listed there. Click on it and start using its features. Congratulations, you've successfully added new powers to your spreadsheet. If this tutorial helped you enhance your Google Sheets, please like and subscribe for more productivity tips.